So what's my car accident case worth? That's a question I get all the time. And I can tell you, if anybody answers that on the first phone call, they're probably lying to you, because we really can't understand really what you've gone through, because it's just so early in the process. What we do is we need to understand what your medical bills are, what kind of problems you've had, how has this affected your day-to-day life. Those are all things that add to your story, that add to what the value of your case is if we were to go in front of a jury and have a jury decide what kind of compensation you would get because of this crash. Because of our experience, we're able to tell you that earlier on in the process, and many, many times, in fact, most of the time, you won't ever even have to file a summons and complaint to get into the courtroom doors. But in order to know the value of a case, we need to know a lot of information. How has this affected you? Where have you gone to the doctor? How often did you go to the doctor? What things were you able to do before the crash that now you can do, but it hurts more? Or what things did you totally give up because of the crash? Those are all facts that we need to understand. It's the same for dog bites, for car crashes, bicycle crashes, motorcycle accidents, all those things. We have to know a lot more early on and a lot more at the end of the case in order for us to tell your story, so we can make sure that we achieve really the full compensation for your claim. The treatment you receive, how often you go to the doctor, how this has affected your life, that's going to really determine the value of your case, whether the value goes up or the value goes down. And let's all hope that your case is not worth that much. We hope that you aren't that badly injured and that your case is done relatively quick with very little care. That's the best case scenario. But if it's more complex, if you have more care, if we have to explain the whole story to the insurance company, that's going to probably mean that the value of your case is more, but that's going to also mean that we have to do a better job to fully understand what you're going through, so we can make sure that the insurance company pays the full value of your claim. If you have questions about this, if you want to understand what the value of your case is, go to growthlawfirm.com or give us a call at 414-999-0000.